In 2022, the Foshan Municipal Party Committee unveils the very important initiative of setting up a one area, one park, one city development laid out in South China's Foshan. And they outlined a very clear and distinguishable development blueprint for the Sanlongwan Science Tech City in Foshan. That is, an epicenter of technological innovation and a highland of international talent. Hi, here's Zoe. Guess where I am? The Sanlongwan Science Tech City in Foshan. This week, from November the 2nd to 10th, the Sanlongwan Science Tech City is holding a Sino-European Cultural Week. And today, this place is holding a sketching event, and the most exciting part is I'm going to take you see 3 must-go outdoor leisure venues in Foshan in just one day. Come on! Wow, she's almost finished. Let's go to her.
一起过来这边分水湾一起绘画，中间这个像窗口一样的亮点，把它给点出来。
广州日报有一个活动是那个速写大湾区的，然后它是有深圳。 然后佛山还有广州的画友一起聚到这边画画的。
We are now heading to the 2 destinations of our afternoon sketching schedule: the Half Moon Island Wetland Park and the Wenhan Lake Park. Guys, if you come to Foshan and you like outdoor activities, then these are 2 places that you must go because you can have almost every outdoor leisure here. Fishing, picnics, flying kites, cycling, lotus viewing, etc. Anything you can think of, guys. Oh my, I like them so much.
大陸嗰邊40分鐘喎，成個嚟玩嘅，1個月都有2次啦。我覺得呢度啲環境啊比較舒適啲咯，比較適合啲小朋友喺度遊玩。天天吵咗過來，媽媽我就要去，我就要去。
Now we finished our journeys in Half Moon Island Wetland Park. Next destination's Wenhan Lake Park. Go! Wenhan Lake Park, let's see how their painting goes. Linnan region has emphasized the management of water in urban planning. Wenhan Lake Park in northeast Foshan's Nanhai district is an exemplary model. The park takes the river dike as a green corridor, connected various attractions and harmoniously coexisting with natural habitats, tidal farmlands, waterfront leisure spaces, and public cultural activities. This has turned wasteland into a vibrant public park, growing together with the city.
更贴合大家文化生活，那我们到下午的时候更偏向于日常生活，就可能更贴近于自然，然后包括风光之类的。
A series of activities including the China-EU Business Forum, European Brand Fairs, and the Sanlongwan Science Tech City sketch events are held here. Welcome to join. Don't miss it.